Understanding Wrinkle Repair, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, wrinkle repair. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in. Wrinkle repair is a compound noun, composed of two words, wrinkle and repair. Let's look at each part separately. Wrinkle. In the most literal sense, a wrinkle is a small line or fold in something, especially fabric or skin. It often refers to the lines that form on the skin as a person ages. Repair. This is a verb that means to fix something that is broken or damaged. When combined, wrinkle repair generally refers to products or methods used to reduce or eliminate wrinkles, typically on the skin. In everyday language, wrinkle repair is often used in the context of beauty and skincare. For example, I am looking for a good wrinkle repair cream to reduce the lines on my forehead. This advertisement claims that their product is the best for wrinkle repair. It's also used metaphorically in business or problem-solving scenarios, meaning to address a small problem or flaw. We need some wrinkle repair in our customer service approach. Understanding wrinkle repair also involves recognizing its cultural context. In many societies, there's a focus on youthful appearance, hence the popularity of wrinkle repair products. However, it's also important to understand that attitudes towards aging and beauty standards vary across cultures. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, wrinkle repair, in both a literal and cultural context. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also about the ideas and cultures behind them. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.